Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 14th, 2024, and we're diving into Invivyd's third quarter financial results. Invivyd, a biopharmaceutical company focused on viral infectious diseases, has just released its Q3 2024 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Invivyd's focus on COVID-19 prophylaxis and treatment, particularly with their PEMGARDA product, makes this a very interesting report to analyze.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the revenue figures. Invivyd reported a net product revenue of $9.3 million for Q3 2024, a significant increase from $2.3 million in Q2. John, what does this tell us about the company's performance?
This increase in revenue is a positive sign, indicating that Invivyd's commercial strategies for PEMGARDA are starting to pay off. However, the company still reported a net loss of $60.7 million, with a net loss per share of 51 cents. This suggests that while revenue is growing, the company is still facing challenges in achieving profitability.
And how does their cash position look?
Invivyd ended the quarter with $106.9 million in cash and cash equivalents, which provides a solid foundation for their near-term goals, including achieving profitability by the first half of 2025.
Product and pipeline developments. Invivyd's PEMGARDA product seems to be a key driver for the company. Can you elaborate on its performance and future prospects?
Absolutely. PEMGARDA's revenue grew to $9.3 million this quarter, reflecting increased market penetration. The company has also updated its fact sheet to include data on its neutralization activity against current COVID-19 variants, which should bolster confidence among healthcare providers.
And what about their pipeline developments?
Invivyd has initiated dosing in a Phase 1 clinical trial for Invivyd.3 a next-generation monoclonal antibody. This is a promising step forward as it builds on the success of PEMGARDA. Additionally, they've submitted an EUA amendment request to the FDA for PEMGARDA's use in treating mild to moderate COVID-19 in certain immunocompromised patients.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's talk about operational efficiencies. How is Invivyd managing its expenses?
Invivyd's R&D expenses increased to $57.9 million, primarily due to the development of Invivyd.3. SG&A expenses remained stable at $13 million. The company is focusing on operational efficiencies to support its goal of reaching profitability by mid-2025.
And what are their projections for the end of the year?
Invivyd expects to end 2024 with at least $65 million in cash and cash equivalents, supported by anticipated revenue growth and operational improvements. This positions them well for future growth and development.
CEO and leadership insights. What insights can we gather from the company's leadership regarding their strategy and outlook?
Marc Elia, chairman of the board, expressed confidence in PEMGARDA's growth potential, especially with its updated fact sheet reflecting its efficacy against current variants. Tim Lee, the chief commercial officer, emphasized the importance of commercial execution in driving revenue growth and market expansion.
It seems like they are quite optimistic about addressing unmet needs in the market.
Indeed, they are focused on expanding their outreach to healthcare providers and supporting patients, which should help in capturing a larger market share.
Key takeaways. To wrap up, Invivyd's Q3 2024 results show promising revenue growth with PEMGARDA, though challenges remain in achieving profitability. Their strategic focus on operational efficiencies and pipeline development is crucial for future success. John, any final thoughts?
Invivyd is on a positive trajectory with its product and pipeline developments. The company's efforts to address unmet needs in COVID-19 prophylaxis and treatment are commendable. Investors should keep an eye on their progress towards profitability and market expansion.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Invivyd's performance in the comments below.